them up over here.
Do we have
There was some spawning inside of our area.
Do we have a way to?
So after we finish building whatever the thing is I put in there that I forgot about, y'all want to go explore the caves, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, but I need soda.
Excuse me, miss. Are you okay? Hi. Yeah. Hi. Thank you.
What?
Oh no, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry. Wait, wait, you're coming back?
What?
I can give you stuff?
Wait, for real?
Wait,
Hold on. This
she,
is Pog.
wait, she handed me berries and now, wait, what?
Oh, she gave you berries?
She's running towards you guys.
What? Oh, I gave her an outfit.
Ooh.
Did you actually? Hold up.
Nazi.
Bro, this is sick.
Give her a go. Oh, the GPU. Wow, I got an achievement for that. I guess we're married. It's a ring achievement.
I
That's
knew you
dope.
could do it.
I want to do it too. Why can't I do that?
Because
Hold E. Oh,
Skylight's
okay.
got the Riz.
Ah.
Like she clothed it. That's nuts. Yeah, I think we just befriended her.
Hell yeah. This looks creepy.
All right, well, cool.
Chaz ass.
Link. Oh my gosh.
I don't think she fully trusts us yet.
Not completely, but she's trusting us. So I can give her a pistol. You can give her a shot.
Wait a minute.
What did he say?
What was
I want to
that?
see that.
Hold
Can you
on.
give her a pistol?
Hold on.
Can you give her a pistol?
You can give her a pistol.
Oh
Like,
my
you
god.
can give her the strap.
Oh my god. She could have a pistol for every hand.
For real?
No, 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 no,
Or,
no.
she can, or we can wait and give her a shotgun too.
I mean, okay, hold on. Hold on.
mean-
if I give her this weapon, will I get
No,
it
I'm gonna
back?
I'll give her my pistol and I'll go swim. No. Because I'm pretty sure you can't take it back. Or maybe you could. But I'll give her my pistol and there still should be a pistol on
Give
like
it a-
that rack.
Okay.
Oh, that's so
Ooh.
dope.
Okay, so yeah,
Ooh.
I can't hand her another gun. But that's wild.
Wow. So she can go hunt now.
That's
Pretty sure
crazy.
we probably don't have to worry about her ammunition either. All right, I'm gonna go to the raft and I'm gonna go collect that pistol
I
because
just
there should be
realized-
another one that spawned in for me.
Link, he just made a meme. I'm walking around like the baddest because my boyfriend got me one of these.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
I eat this. My character is getting hungry.
What the hell, internet? Jesus. I was looking for tips on the Virginia and everything, and the first thing that pops up, Virginia Rule 34. Legit. Like, what the hell, internet?
Bro, first off, they are quick. What the hell? Secondly, why?
Wait, what's going on?
You don't want to know.
We don't want. I don't want to know. No. What's going on?
Alright, Link, go ahead.
Okay, you really want me to say this?
Yeah, what's going on?
I just want to look for some tips on Virginia real quick, like on what to do with her. And the first thing that popped up, Rule 34.
Bro.
Rule 34. What's that supposed to be?
Skylight, you are the most pure human being I have ever met. I want you to know that. That is a compliment, by the way.
Thank you, but what the heck is it?
You wanna know?
No.
Yeah, just
no,
tell me.
You don't have to tell me.
No, actually, yeah, I don't think I was supposed to tell because it's very blasphemous.
Okay. Well, if it makes y'all comfortable, y'all don't want to say it, that's fine.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
No, you ain't.
It does a little less, but it has a really great stun ability. But it's okay. If we... What's that?
Who is running near me?
I'm getting attacked! Bro, what the freak? What is this? Bro, I can't move!
What's going on?
I was getting gang-ganged. What the heck is it?
Right here.
Nah, he's about to run
Oh,
this thing.
what the hell?
Okay, it does
What
damage.
the frick is that?
It will do damage.
Oh, it's
Careful.
strong. It's strong.
Uh-oh.
Careful, it does damage.
Well, yeah.
Sit down. Still not dead.
Jesus. Now
Is
it's
it dead now?
I'm taking D.
Yeah, now it's dead. That was a brute boss. And it goes for the black guy first. Surprise, surprise. I wonder why. Hey, I was just trying to get a nightstick.
Watch out, there's another one.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
there's
there
another
is!
one.
Actually, you know
Hold
what?
up, I gotta pop some pills.
While you're at it, I think I'm gonna take this nice stick.
I'm gonna take some pills. I'm gonna get my spear, so that way I can kill it from a distance.
Oh my
Where is
god,
it?
I actually can't see that.
There's attack with the
Got it. There we go. Get it, get it, get it. Don't hit me though.
Oh, it's dead.
Bruh.
Yeah.
What did that
Cool.
just do?
I don't know, spit some type of like spider web. Whatever it is, it's dead.
True that.
Creepy armored.
Fuck, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. Okay.
What is that noise?
What is that? Hey, that's. Let me back up. Let me back up. Uh-oh.
Nah, Virginia.
That's not gonna get old. Okay.